ago there was a battle, did you know? The Philistines had a giant, oh my, Goliath was his name, so big and high. David was a shepherd, brave and small. He heard about Goliath's call. I will fight him, David said. With God's help there's no need to dread. David's brothers were soldiers bold, but even they were feeling cold. How can you fight? They asked the lad. But David trusted God and wasn't sad. The king gave David armor, big and tall, but it didn't fit him, not at all. So David took it off, grabbed his sling, 5 smooth stones and faith in the king. David and Goliath, a story so grand. With God's help, a boy took a stand. A sling and a stone, faith in his heart. Watch how courage can play its part. Goliath stood tall, with armor so bright, challenging Israel day and night. Who will fight me, he'd loudly say, but no one dared until that day. David went to the battlefield, calm and serene, facing the giant, a sight to be seen. You come with weapons, but I come in God's name. Today the world will know his fame. Goliath laughed, is this a joke? But David stood firm and then he spoke. You come with a sword, but I come with God's might. Today, he'll win this fight. David swung his sling round and round. The stone flew fast and made a sound. It hit Goliath right in the head, and down he fell, the giant was dead. With faith in God, we can do great things, no matter what life brings. Just like David, brave and true, God's power will see us through. The Israelites cheered, the Philistines fled. David's faith was widely spread. He showed that trusting in God above brings victory and endless love. David grew up to be a king. With songs of praise he'd often sing. From shepherd boy to leader great, his faith in God would never abate. David and Goliath, what a tale. With faith and courage we prevail. Thanks for singing, thanks for fun. With God's love, we've just begun.